Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have seen the osmotic pressure equation. See, I told that pi is equals to CRT or CST. And how we got, let me explain you now. Generally, according to Van 't Hoff equation, according to Van 't Hoff equation, Van 't Hoff loss, or in dilute solutions, all loss is equal. That is known as Van 't Hoff loss. According to Van 't Hoff law, I is directly proportional to C, okay, where C equals to concentration, but volume is directly proportional to 1 by C. So if you do this, C is inversely proportional to 1 by V. So in the place of C, we can write this one, that is pi is inversely proportional to 1 by V. Pi V is equals to constant since Boyle's law. What do you mean by Boyle's law? PV is equals to K. Same like that only we have got. Coming to Charles' law. So what do you mean by Charles' law? Pi is directly proportional to T. Pi is equals to KT. Okay. So we have observed, pi is directly proportional to 1 by V and pi is directly proportional to T. So by this what we can write, pi is directly proportional to T by V. So pi is equals to S into T by V. So pi V is equals to ST. So what do you, in the starting I have told you, C is directly proportional to 1 by V. So V is directly proportional to 1 by C, inversely proportional to. So we can write pi is equals to CST. Why? Because since 1 by V is equals to C, or C is equals to V is equals to 1 by C. Like this also we can write. So CST. So here where C is concentration, S is constant, T is temperature. So this constant is equals to the R, that is gas constant. So we can write pi is equals to CRT. So this is the way we have got that pi value CST or CRT. Okay. So now let us see the problems of depression in freezing point, elevation in boiling point and osmotic pressure. Now let us see. For example, the elevation in boiling point of a solution containing 0.20 grams of solute, 0.02 grams of solute in 20 grams of ether is 0.17 degrees centigrade Kb. For ether is 2.16 kg per mole. Calculate the molar mass of solute. See here what he has given, the elevation in boiling point of a solution containing. So boiling point, elevation in boiling point he has given 0.25 grams and solute is 20 grams of ether. Solute he has given, solvent he has given 0.73 degrees, means elevation of boiling point value 0. For ether how much? 2.16. What he told to calculate? He told to calculate the molar mass of the solute. So for solute, A value how much he has given? A is equals to 0.20 grams and B is equals to 20 grams. And delta TB value he has given 17 degrees K. or we can 0.17. And here Kb is equals to 2.16 kg per mole. So now what we have to find? Molar mass of the solute. So what is the formula generally? Delta Tb is equals to elevation in boiling point, no, Kb into m, where m indicates molality of the solution. So we can write delta Tb is equals to Kb into A into 1000 into B. So this is the formula generally, where A is weight of the solute, molecular weight of the solute, and B indicates weight in grams. Okay. So delta Tb value, what he told us to calculate, molar mass of the solute. So m value we have to calculate. So m is equals to what you will get, Kb into A into 1000 by delta Tb into B. So if we substitute these all values, so what is the Kb value? We have got 2.16 into A value 0.20 into 1000 divided by delta Tb 0.17, B value 20. So what is the value we are getting means, by doing calculation, 20, 0.1 here, and by doing calculation we are getting here value some 127 grams. So this is the value. So what he has told us to calculate the molar mass of the solute. So now see, elevation of boiling point of a solution containing 0.20 grams of solute, that is A value he has given, in 20 grams, that is B value, ether. So at which degree is 0.17, means elevation of boiling point value delta Tb will be 0.17. So where Kb for ether, how much he has given, 2.16 kg per mole. So he told us to calculate molar mass of this solute. Okay, where A indicates solute, B indicates solvent, weight in grams. So where M is molar mass. So he told us to calculate molar mass. So this is the formula we got by substituting these all values. 127 grams is the answer. Now let us see and one more problem in freezing point, depression in freezing point. So see here, 3 grams of solute is dissolved in 22 grams of water. Okay, so the depression if freezing point shown by the solution is 1.45 K. Then Kf for H2O is 1.86 Kelvin Kg per mole. For find molar mass. See here what he has given, 3 grams of solute. Solute A value he has given and also B value he has given. So here the depression if freezing point means delta Tf he has given 1.45. So Kf value he has given. How much? 1.0. Again he told us to calculate molar mass. Same formula we are going to get. That is delta Tf is equals to Kf into A into 1000 by m into b. What he has to calculate, m value we have to calculate. So already here a value how much he has given, 3 grams, b value 22 grams, delta TF value he has given 1.45 K, KF value he has given 1.86 kg per mole. So what he told us to calculate, molar mass. So now m is equals to what you will be getting, KF into A into 1000 divided by delta TF into B if m goes here. Why? Because we are finding m. So what is the KF value? 1.86 into A3 into 1000 divided by delta TF 1.45 into B value 22 grams. Okay. So by substituting these all values, we are going to get the value 174.9 grams. Okay. So this is about the depression and freezing point. This is elevation and boiling point. So here he told us to calculate molecular mass, means molecular weight of the solute. Molar mass only he told us to calculate. But coming to here, the formula is same. We are changing only abbreviations. Here for boiling point B we are getting, for melting point we are getting F. That's all. So this is nothing but depression in freezing point and elevation in boiling point. Now let us see the osmotic pressure problem. See here in the material they have given calculate the osmotic pressure in pascals. Means he told us to calculate the osmotic pressure in pascals excited by a solution prepared by dissolving. Means solution he has given 1.08 grams of polymer and polymer of molar mass 185,000 in 450 ml of water at 37 degrees centigrade. So generally they have given volume of the solution. See volume of the solution 450 ml. Means in milliliters. If we change into liters, 0.45. Means how we will be getting by 1000. So you will be getting 0.45 liters. Coming to temperature, how much they have given? 37 degrees centigrade. We have to write it in Kelvin. 273. So how much we are getting? 310 Kelvin. Okay. So now polymer of the molar mass he has given. Okay. Means molecular weight he has given. So generally number of moles of polymer. N is equals to how much? Weight by gram molecular weight. He has given gram molecular weight. So N is equals to 1.08 by, see how much he has given, gram molecular weight. 1.08 by 185,000. So by this we are going to get the value how much? We get some value. So what he told us to calculate? Pi is equals to CRT, where C is 1 by V, CRT. Okay, this one we can be written as N by V into RT. Pi is equals to. So pi is equals to N by V RT. So where N we are getting 1.08 by 185,100,000 into what is the V value here? 0.45. What is the R? Gas constant value 8.314 into 10 to the power cube. Temperature 310. So by calculating these all, what we are going to get here? 310 K. So we are going to get the value 33.4 PA, pascals. So approximately we can write 33 pascals. So this is about pi value. See here what is the question he has given generally. Calculate the osmotic pressure in pascals exerted by a solution prepared by dissolving 1.08 grams of polymers of molar mass 185,000 in 450 ml of water at 37 degrees. So what is the formula? What he told us to calculate? Osmotic pressure. So generally volume of water he has given 450 ml. That one we can write it as 0.45 liters. Means by 1000 if we do means 0.45 liters we are going to get. So temperature how we got? Temperature at 37 degrees we are getting centigrade is converted into Kelvin. So 37 plus 273 equals to 310 Kelvin. So number of moles of polymer he has given. What is the number of moles formula? Weight by gram molecular. Weight he has given 1.08. Gram molecular weight he has given 185,000 in the question. If you have observed, this is the weight and this is gram molecular weight. So formula if you write pi is equals to CRT, where C, as I have told you before, 1 by V. So C is equals to N by V we can write to remove proportionality constant. So N by V into RT. So N value what? 1.08 into 185,000. So what is the V value? 0.45. So R value gas constant, if we calculate in pascals, 8.314 into 10 to the power cube in pascals. So R value, what is the temperature we have got? 310. So by calculating this all we are getting 33.4 pascals. So approximately we are taking 33. So this is about the problems of osmotic pressure, depression in freezing point, elevation in boiling point. So these three are the problems how to calculate. Thank you. Tomorrow I'll explain next class.